Hey guys, I'm Tyler from SouthTown, and today we've got an awesome video for you featuring the all-new redesigned 2020 Supra SA. We're going to take you through the boat and show you what we like, how it performs, and what's new. Let's get started. As always, let's start with the specs. The new SA is 22 feet and 5 inches long, has a 102-inch beam, and weighs in 600 pounds heavier than the outgoing SA at 5,800 pounds. According to Supra, this boat will safely accommodate 16 passengers and packs plenty of fuel capacity, holding a total of 63 gallons. So with that, let's take a look at what makes this boat different than the last version. The SA got a complete exterior redesign, featuring a slightly deeper profile and more futuristic gel lines and accents. The interior has also been updated drastically, featuring new stitching patterns, a ton of modern Supra features we expected to see on this redesign, and a few completely new luxuries. Included in these is a complete subfloor ballast system totaling 3,500 pounds and offering ridiculous amounts of storage where there used to be ballast bags. It also features a pod-mounted JL stereo system seen on other models like the SL, but improves on it by adding two 12-inch subwoofers and more premium amps. The SA also features new color options for the exterior and interior, as well as a wireless phone charger on the dash. New to their patented auto wake system for 2020 is an auto leveling system, which engages when in cruise or back to dock profiles and uses the surf tabs to level the boat when an imbalance is detected. All these things, amongst others, make for a more refined experience and ensure that you'll be riding in possibly the most luxurious wake boat to hit the water in 2020. Now that we've been over what makes riding in the 2020 SA so great, let's take a look at what makes riding behind it even better. As you might know, the SA is the flagship performance model in Supra's lineup, pulling both the Pro Surf and Pro Wakeboard tours. From what we're told, the running surface of the SA is very similar to the outgoing model, but that doesn't mean the wake hasn't seen improvement. The added dry weight of the boat, plus some slight tweaks to the hull design, have added some noticeable improvements to both the wake surf and wakeboard wakes. Let's start with surf. The first thing we have to comment on is how clean the wave was on both sides. It's rare that you get a wave that is so equally clean for goofy and regular riders because one side is usually affected by the prop rotation. Here's the wake on both sides with stock ballast full, 4 people in the boat at 10.8 miles per hour. As you can see, the SA acts as if this limiting factor of the prop rotation does not even exist. Like all the models in the Supra lineup that share similar hull shapes, the push on this wave starts at the platform and goes all the way back until just before the whitewash. Between these factors and the sheer size of the wake with stock ballast, it would be hard to consider the wave behind the SA as anything less than world class. If you're on the search for the best wave money can buy, do yourself a favor and schedule a surf demo with your local dealer. This one is most certainly worth your while. Now, for the wakeboard diehards like us, let's talk about what makes this boat worthy of pulling the Pro Wakeboard Tour. For me, what determines a good wakeboard wake comes down to range. A truly great wakeboard wake is one that can be enjoyed by riders of all skill levels. And after testing this wake with a few ballast and speed setups, I can say with confidence that this really is a great wake. Here it is at 17 miles per hour with no ballast in the boat. The wake is small, not intimidating, and still has a great shape to learn your first one-wake jumps and 180s. On the other end of the spectrum, here's what it looks like at my favorite setup, with stock ballast completely full, wake plate at 0, and speed at 22.5 miles per hour. Filling the ballast turns this wake into a monster, with a long, rampy shape that has plenty of kick at the top. What makes this wake even more special is just how clean it is with the ballast full. This is a good indication that you can continue to throw more weight at this boat and it's only going to get better. So with that, we'll leave you to draw your own conclusion about the 2020 Supra SA. If you ask us, this may just be the most refined and technologically advanced boat that we've tested. Combine that with wakes and waves that regularly host the world's best riders, and you've got a luxury wake boat that can't be overlooked. As always, we encourage you to do your own homework, set up a demo with your local dealer, and get out in the water on one for yourself. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.